Utie Oha Extra Ponkno Needs FM.
Yanko ahomane so na yene Yera Mohammed Adam Bantama na oye chairman aka Chairman Samba onu na Northern Region Chairman Edema NPP. Chairman, good morning Ezai.
Ayo, what to say?
Nyame adom na nso e.
Yeah, me hoyo.
Yede Nyankopon ase. Na adane wani abere a wo ka kire atifi mantem akodo a yewo se emma obibia nto aba efa ma omampanyin John Dramani Mahama NDC Frankatuni.
The America say Ghanaians na Northern region bibia John Mahama free. Sisi a omuche region na sisi a okwatia Savannah region. Ma kan kira say Northern region for say omunfa John Mahama nye serious politician ana Ghanaians for say omunfa Ghanaians John Mahama nye serious politician. Uhia Atem Mills 4 years ni John Mahama 4 years ni nyina. Dia yewura President Nana a year within 2.5 years no. Oyejiman sin say omo 8 years ni nyina. Yam fan say uhia omo 8 years ni nyina omo fa initiative bia enfambra Ghanaians for. But uhia Nanado 2.5 years no with the initiative bibre enfamba Ghanaians. Also here ya northern region ohona me free na omoto abama me no nimi ya northern regional chairman emam 3 northern regions ni nyina na me ka say 3 northern region say northern region Savannah region northeast region but here me wa northern region me na me northern regional chairman sata me no a na me ka say uhia NDC umu 2012 uhia NDC manufacturer mitimi nkira wala 2012 uhia 2008 election hono mu pese mu fa aban no mu fa Northern region yana meda unfanshe umu manufacturer nse umu ba do make sure say do bring those people prepared into the book. Now, we make sure say sa finirano within 1 month, 2 months, 3 months no, we make sure say umbaya finirano. Now, no against na no mutu aban Emma NDC. Sa si ne wo about 6 feet, 7 feet, no region sa time no. Na ye lusi sa sitini nyina na eka 3 feet mpe omutrasi John Mahama ni Atamesu West no mutuma omu ba na omunya hiyo omunya bibia ma nororege sa ya na finra omu mera o ya na bibia omunya bibia ma omujia nororege sa omu development bia omunya development bia nanado ba within 1.5 year utimi solve problems ni nyina isi ade abi kasayo ye wayana ni e WhatsApp substitute ni nyina sa bangla phone na onum se late na Mahamadu ne banu ne sa na tam na we chief Emma Bonlana but isi anu a onu na chief man men ne na Yakubu Andani regent no sisi a onu na chief Emma Savulugu sisi a de me kasa no no regent wa asundwe pa problem bia any ho na ohia no regent for omu gidi pa na omu kan kina say hey adia bia de eyan timi solve be more than 40 years nne na do timi baya 1.5 year ni no mutimi otimi solve sa problem we ni nyina no papa we die 2020 election we yɛbɛgye a mandate ni nyinaa ɛma Nanado. So here people in northern region they have decided already not MPP and not MPP alone. It's both floater voters, MPP and NDC. They are all decided. Apart from the only executives. When you start from the executive, we look at say NDC regional chairman, regional executive, no constitution executive, ni sa polling station, ni sa nema. Omunko abatimi yede ekoto omu party. Ama decision makers ni nyina no. Omu kan kira say MPP government and Nanado administration aya aban papa. So this year 2020 election ni nyina no. Ombatu man Nanado.
Okay, iti da dia wo Canadian na ekwakwa say NDC eba so no de ete so wo manya hwiafa ama eye the northern regions no.
There. Omu nya bibia, omu 8 years ni nyina, omu nya bibia ma northern. Sisi anu mamka bibia nkyerɛw. Onu say sisi anu NDC for omu nim campaign message bia. Campaign message bia omu nim. Onu say NDC for omu campaign message say divide and rule. No, mukwako actually through eka say we say aburu and andani factor no mudia campaign. But see asa aburu and andani for no sa bibia ni ho. See ade one way ye wadogomba. So ye wadogomba bibia see ade obia e baako. Obia ni see anim aburu anim andani. See ade ye wadogomba. Ne sa wa see ye wa yana ye waduwa fale. Bibia ni ho. So nti NDC dia no region dia tia obia nim say NDC dia omunye intro party. Omunye party papa. Yes.
And it's in a word advocate say the 5 northern regions omoto abanfantia NDC.
Yes. So now there's no way this 3 northern region can vote for NDC. Because NDC is a party who cannot help people in northern region. NDC is a party who cannot help people in Ghana. So, and therefore, John Mahama is just somebody who is going to waste their time. They shouldn't take him serious. So, people in northern region and then people in Ghana, what does John Mahama want to come to power to do again? You are the vice president for 4 years. You are the vice president. Let's say the vice president for 3 years. And then president for 5 years. You couldn't do anything to Ghanaians. And now you want to come back to power. What are you going to do for Ghanaians? So Ghanaians shouldn't waste their time for John Mahama. And there are people in northern region. Especially the people in northern region. We can say that we really have our brother. And our brother is Nanado. And our father is Nanado. Our grandfather is Nanado. Somebody who can bring us together is Nanado. So if you get somebody like this, if you get government like this, my brother, if it's you are going to indebted to MPP party, indebted to Nanado forever. This is what the northern region we are now. This is our position. You can see.
Okay. Etina chese NDC womo ye no ma edi chichemu eye ebeba northern region ho.
You see?
Yeah, what I'm asking is not just what's NDC for wamanam ontu omutu ye nyina bra omo ba ba mu no na ya na ontu a edi division edi ba eye northern region ho.
Yes, division kwa.
Eno na ade na omo ye ya e create sa divisions na wo ken.
That division the American say. Now, uha omu campaign message ni nyina no. Uha 2008 campaign message ni nyina no. Trunkwa. Uha 2000 campaign message ni nyina na trunkwa. Truneste yaba tima ya den chi amanfo de omu ya na mera o ya na no mu ye say no. We are andani, we are kudu, we are say, sign through no kwan a yomu campaign message. But the Shiano, they don't have campaign message again. What is your sign or never in home?
It's a weekend.
MPP NDC woman nim campaign message bia e wo Northern region bim.
Okay. Ete wo hwe ba bi te say wa airport. A wo mo eye wo hwe no ntimi nye nhwesodie bi NDC fo betimi dia ye nyina so mpo se mo hwe wona mo fanto abama o.
No, sa onu say airport de omu ye no. Onu say sa airport de omu ye no. Sika de omu di ye eshi ho no. Enye say o ha NDC. Omu pese omu ye development bia. Anye say omu ye development o. Omu pese omu kwa kwache sika ni di. Omu pese omu kwa kwache sika ni di. Onu say o do tamal airport wa. Facility bia ni ho. No, mo say omu ye international airport no. Onu say tamal airport ni international airport dadao. Because assassin wo ho flat. The omu ye say omu di doza no omu chuchu form no omu di quota are guso. Facility bia ni ho. Ta na omu di international airport. Anya sa no mo di international airport. Facility bia ni ho. Ayan form no kwa no mo di grader. Doza no omu chuchu su no omu di quota are guso. Plane batima shi form no omu plane batima ya den. Sorry. So omu say nanado okwa kati so second phase of
second phase na.
Second phase na. My brother, omu design no kwa akura. Omu say we pa ya international airport. So here atika de omu di ye sa phase 1 no. Omu kwa chesika no. Omu selfish interest ntin omu kwa ye sa ade no. And yes say omu ye na say people in northern region. Sa na miti say o here stiff march no. O here stiff march no. Ne na do edi ko northern region ye kwa ye no. Masa ohun sa TV ni ohun sa video no you really be happy. O here sa de na ohun ya na wo ho wo ya gbungura na the permanent chief of Mamprese traditional area that's Nigeria. Ohun mu a ohun nyina ya nuafo ohun a na omutena omu bibia omutinu. You really know that there is a unity in Northern region. Na omu staff chief ni nyina atata omuchi. So sa na pick a good governor. And the bibia na do ema no. Ono say independence celebration na Steve Mage kwa in Kamala no. Sa ade no e bintimi en sida. Every year ni nyina no mu ye na aka. Because our brother, our father, he have love with the northern region. No, mo di sa celebration ni nyina no mo di ko northern region. My brother, if it is you, what can you do to pay the man back? You have to give your mandate on the 2020 election. So after the 2020 election, NDC shouldn't waste their time and do any campaign or spend money and then do their structures and that kind of thing. They are just wasting their time. Okay. 2020 election is for Nanado.
Utie Oha Exi Ponkno Needs FM.